Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to download the cut plan. To begin, go to the Reports tab and click on Plan Graph. Before you continue, make sure to save your progress. A new window will appear. From the drop-down menu at the top, select Cut Plan. Next, choose from Online Database to load the latest data from the tool. If needed, you can set a date range to filter the cut plan. Once everything is selected, click Download to get your cut plan file. And that's it. You've successfully generated your cut plan using Opteze.